So hello, do you want to know how to manage tech installation with MiKTeX Console? You want to write a perfect document and you don't know how to start? So please, we will look how to make it. So, we have MiKTeX Console, you will open, you will look where a package. Now you can write, for example, for your CV, Vitae. Now you will see more packages. You will choose which one you want and you can install it. It will install. Okay. And yes, it's finished. Now you can download or update your package. And you will see. Yes. You can control packet installer. And it's super. It's in German language, but you can put it in English. Don't worry about. And you are finished. You can write your package, your thesis document. Thanks for watching and bye.